Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow that I have in the shade Basic Instinct, the ultra metallic finish. And how cute is this packaging? It's like a giraffe print. And this is a product that I got in my recent Ulta haul. It was part of the beauty break that I got from ColourPop. And I'm so excited to try out another shade in the Super Shock Shadows. I love these formulas. They're really like a cult favorite type of product. They have such high ratings, so many different shades, and they only cost $6. So I'm really excited to be building up my collection of these. And speaking of collection, it's a type of product that I feel like they're always coming out with really adorable collection themes. Like I recently tried out the Disney Princess version, and I just think that is so fun. So here is what it looks like. I'm so excited about this shade. So of course, let's start out with a swatch. Oh, it's just such a beautiful, creamy texture. Oh, so pigmented. And it definitely has a very beautiful, shiny, metallic finish. And it's really true to how it looks in the packaging here. Like a warm toned brown, almost has a little bit of red to it. Very pretty. And I think I might be able to do a full eyeshadow look using just this shade based off of the different techniques that I can use to apply it. So I am going to start out with a little blending brush here. Just pick up a little bit onto the brush. It is a little hard to pick up because it is that like solid creamy texture. But I think I got enough on the brush here. Let's find out. And I'm going to blend this into the crease. Oh yeah, that seems like plenty because it is very pigmented. And for this purpose here, I really am just trying to diffuse out the color because I like to have a brown shade just diffused into the crease area here to create that transition, build up some depth. And I'm so glad to see that this shade works for this purpose as well. Yeah, that works really nicely. I could even see myself just reaching for this shade to do a quick, easy crease shade because sometimes if I'm not even doing any eyeshadow, that might just be all I want to apply. So for $6, I could get a lot of use out of this. So once again, blending it out. I think it does take a little bit longer than like a powder eyeshadow to blend out, but it really is easily blendable. And even though it has that metallic finish, it overall looks pretty matte as I diffuse it out. So it does create that depth that I was looking for. And now I'm going to try it out all over the lid. So for that, I'm just going to use my finger because I love to apply these Super Shock metallic formulas with my finger to get that full opaque color payoff. And wow, it's such an amazing difference based off of the crease area on and then the lid. And it looks so pretty on the lid too. I love this metallic sheen and this kind of unique shade of brown. Ooh. This really is an easy one color eyeshadow look that can really transition like day to night if you just did the crease during the day and then you popped it all over the lid to make it more glam for nighttime. I definitely think I need to finish off the lower lash line to pull it all together, but it definitely looks nice all over the lid like that. And I love how easy it is to apply, how quick this eyeshadow look is to create. And it's so easy to blend into the crease area because it's literally the exact same shade. So, super simple. And so to finish off the lower lash line, I'm picking up a small little pencil brush here so that I can use it as a eyeliner and blend it out a little bit. But I love this type of shade for the lower lash line. I love a brown shimmer, so this is perfect. Ooh, definitely makes it a little bit more dramatic and glam. And there we go, a complete eyeshadow look with this one product. I really do understand the hype and the high ratings on these. It's so impressive, the formula, so fun to play around with. I feel like just some bold mascara, maybe even some bold lashes would look perfect with this. So I'd like to know in the comments down below, what are your favorite uses for like a brown eyeshadow like this? Like what kind of recommendations can you give me on how to use this? But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.